Let's take a look at this Naimi NH525 foldable drone. It's got a high-def 720p camera. It comes with 2 extra fans, 4 fan guards which are optional and can be installed with the included screwdriver. It comes with 2 battery packs, a charging cable, a remote, and of course the drone itself. It's very easy to exchange the drone's batteries. You simply pull it out and put in the charged one. The batteries can last a little over 20 minutes each. The remote's really nice. As soon as you open the phone holding arms, it automatically turns on. The remote takes 2 AAA batteries which are not included. Then you simply slip in your phone and open the folded radio antennas. The 4 propeller guards protect you from the spinning propellers and ensure that you don't damage your drone's propellers when you have a collision. The app is very easy to find, install, and use. All you need to do is connect to the Wi-Fi transmitted by the drone, and you instantly get live video feed and can take pictures as well. It transmits live video via Wi-Fi. The recorded video and photos are very clear and high definition. They are all saved in the app, and you can access it anytime you want. The drone itself is very easy to fly. It hovers automatically. It can do altitude hold, headless mode, as well as 1-key takeoff. Once you get used to flying this, you can actually do 360 flips and high-speed rotations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.